What up guys, Miguel here of Yucatec and... What? Sorry, wrong outfit. Not this one. Not this one either. Alright, that's more like it. Where was I again? Oh yeah, and today we are going to share with you how to maximize the use of your smartwatch for all sorts of activities, whether it's for fitness tracking or health and relaxation, all the while matching your personal style. In the world of smartwatches, the Huawei Watch GT3 SE stands out with its outstanding battery life, impressive fitness tracking capabilities, and practical design. The smartwatch runs on Huawei's Harmony OS 3, which is both intuitive and easy to use with a range of support for watch faces, allowing you to customize the look and feel of the device to suit your style and preference. Case in point, check out the style watch face that you can customize on the smartwatch. Tons of options to make it fit your look for the day. All that style switching earlier was actually to match my watch. Let me show you how. In your smartphone, go and launch the Huawei Health app. Look for watch faces in the device tab. Select more from watch faces, tap mine, and download style. Once open, tap on the plus icon to open the camera or launch the photo gallery to capture or select a color scheme from what you are wearing. Now your watch face will have the same color scheme as your outfit for the day. Cool, yeah? I'm sure you've seen a ton of smartwatches with varying sizes, colors, and styles. Some look elegant and polished, while others are more rugged and practical. The Watch GT3 SE sits somewhere in the middle. It's practical, built for regular daily use, yet fashionably acceptable for a more fun, young, and sort of get-up-and-go kind of lifestyle. You'd be surprised to know that the GT3 SE is very lightweight for its size. The smartwatch features a reinforced polymer fiber body that is as durable as it is stylish. And the 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen display is sharp and bright, making it easy to read and navigate. The watch is also water-resistant of up to 5 ATM or about 50 meters underwater, making it suitable for a bunch of water-related activities. And if you want to be sure that there isn't any more water in your smartwatch, it's got this cool drain water feature. The Huawei Watch GT3 SE also features GPS support where you can track your location and provide accurate distance and speed information during outdoor activities like running, hiking, or cycling. And there are hundreds of workout modes to choose from. This makes it a great device for outdoor enthusiasts who want to track their progress and stay on top of their fitness goals. The watch comes equipped with a range of sensors, including an accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate monitor, magnetometer, and barometer, that allow it to track a variety of fitness metrics including steps taken, distance traveled, and calories burned, to name a few. Another notable feature of the Huawei Watch GT3 SE is its impressive health tracking capabilities. The watch can monitor your heart rate 24/7 and alert you if it detects any irregularities. Basically, you can monitor your sleep pattern every night, check your blood oxygen level, and actively monitor your heartbeat wherever, whenever you want. It also has a built-in stress monitor that can provide insights into your stress levels throughout the day, helping you to manage stress and improve your overall health and well-being. But what really sets the Huawei Watch GT3 SE apart is its battery life. With a battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge, this smartwatch can keep up with even the busiest of lifestyles. We even brought this watch for our entire week's coverage at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and we never even bothered to bring the charger. On the 8th day, when we got back to Manila, the watch was still showing 47%. So, if you asked me, that 2-week battery promise is definitely on track. But if you do need a quick charge, it also supports wireless charging. Simply place it against the back of your smartphone that supports reverse wireless charging, and you're good to go. Of course, a smartwatch isn't just about lasting long. It also needs to perform well in terms of functionality, and the Huawei Watch GT3 SE does not disappoint. It sports a range of other features that make it a versatile and useful device for everyday use. The watch supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing it to pair with your smartphone to receive notifications and control music playback. Connected to some wireless earphones, you can also use it to make and receive phone calls directly from your wrist. So you don't have to dig out your phone every time it rings. So who exactly is the Huawei GT3 SE for? Well, almost anyone really, but perhaps for those who are just getting into smartwatches, this is a good starting point. Or for sporty individuals looking to get more intimate with their fitness stats, or just about any traditional watch user looking for a smarter timepiece. Overall, the Huawei Watch GT3 SE is an impressive smartwatch that offers a range of features and capabilities that make it a great option for both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. With its long battery life, stylish design, and advanced health tracking capabilities, this smartwatch is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their wearable technology. You can get the Huawei Watch GT3 SE for just 8,999 pesos on its first day sale this March 17. It comes with a free Huawei Scale 3 worth 1,499 pesos if you get it before March 31, 2023. So, what do you guys think of the Huawei Watch GT3 SE? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Beep, beep.